Hi, what's good everyone? Welcome to another new video. Due to exam, I haven't updated for 1 week. So today I'm going to test out what people will offer for Blizzard. Before I start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out the description for my brand new Discord server. Please join it now because I'm doing a giveaway. Then let's get started. Starting from C2. Phoenix, and other small ads. L for me, sorry. Shadow. Small L for me. Bruh. Portal and small ads. L for me, sorry. Phoenix string and Quake. Sorry, no thank you. Control. Although Control's price is pretty high, but not for trading. Sorry, no. Shadow again. Small L for me, sorry. No gravity, please. I'm angry right now. Bye, bro. Shadow and Control. Actually pretty good. But I need to add something to balance. Phoenix Diamond and Flame. Again, L for me, sorry. Shadow and String. Fair, I guess, but I won't take it, sorry. Control Phoenix and Venom. He is just flexing, bruh. Phoenix and Quake. Nothing to say about it. Stop flexing, dude. Paw and String. Sorry, big L for me. No thank you, I'm sorry. Actually, I like Portal, but it's small L. For me, I'm sorry. Clown offer. Doh! It will be a huge W if he do this trade. I'm going to add something. But unfortunately, he jumped. Buddha and String. L for me. Control and Phoenix. I don't believe it. Bruh. It's good, but NTY. Same offer again. No thanks. Shadow. And Phoenix. It's a small W, but sorry, I won't take it. And finally, I found someone on Discord. He will offer Venom for my Blizzard. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. This is a small W for me. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoy my trading video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also join my Discord server, Tin Club. See ya in the next video, bye.